Please follow these simple steps to use your PDA for mobile route execution. First, depending on the device you have, you will need to follow the synchronization process when connecting the mobile device to your computer. Windows mobile devices use ActiveSync. Hook your mobile device to your computer and ensure your device is recognized and connected. When using ActiveSync, you can choose to connect your device without setting it up. All that is needed is to be connected to the computer. There are no further configuration steps needed. We simply need to communicate with the device. On the mobile device, you will have installed an application. Refer to the app install instructions in the user manual document. Click on the Start menu on the device and open the application named iReliability Mobile. Next, key in your iReliability login information and click on the Login button. Note, if you do not have internet connectivity with your PDA, please refer to the demo video on using the mobile transfer application. A listing of all databases that you have access to will appear on the device. Click on the database that you want to check out mobile assignments from. All mobile assignments that are ready for activity or are active will be available for you to check out. Highlight the assignment or assignments that you want to check out and click on the Start Route button. Once the assignments are checked out, they will appear in the list on the PDA. To begin working in an assignment, highlight an assignment and then click on the Start button. Note, if you have loaded multiple routes to your PDA, you can complete the routes individually or you can merge the routes. When you merge the routes, you will cycle through all data points in the routes without having to complete each route individually. This is a handy feature if the different routes that you have loaded on your PDA have the same assets. As an example, you may have loaded a weekly route for a filter check on assets X, Y, and Z. However, you have also loaded a quarterly route for regreasing for the same assets X, Y, and Z. It will be cumbersome to complete these routes separately, or to have to go from one route to another to enter information against all of the data points for each asset. The Merge Route feature will combine the route lists for each route into one route list, so when you are standing at asset X, for example, you will cycle through all data points for both routes. In essence, you will be completing both routes simultaneously. If you do wish to merge your routes, click on the Merge Route option and then click on the Start button. All routes on the PDA will be merged. When you start a route, the first data point location in your assignment will appear. The location description will be listed. To enter data, click on the Enter Data button. Note, use the Previous and Next buttons to scroll through the locations in the route if needed. For entering data in an inspection type data point, you will see the inspection result choices in a list. Choose the appropriate result and enter a comment if desired. If you could not complete the inspection, choose the code that best describes why. Click on the Save Data button when you are finished. Note, in the Enter Data screen for any data point, you will see a link for the abridged procedure for that particular point. Clicking on this link will display the abridged procedure. After entering data for a location in your route, your assignment will automatically advance to the next point. To enter data for a trend data point, enter a value and enter a comment if desired. If you could not complete the inspection, choose the code that best describes why. Click the Save Data button when you are finished. When you have completed your assignment and you have entered data or a not collected reason for each location, you can finish the assignment. When you are at the last location in your assignment, click on the Back button. Note, if data you are entering is an alarm, you will be able to leave a comment which will be visible at the location in the assignment back in iReliability. You will now see a Finish button for a completed assignment where you saw the Check-in button for a partially completed assignment. Click the Finish button to check in the data for the completed assignment. Once you have finished your routes in the PDA, you can open your mobile assignments and complete your assessments of the locations back in iReliability. Please refer to the video on completing assignments on the application side. Note, mobile assignment types that are collection only will be automatically closed in iReliability. There will be no need to close those jobs on the application side. Likewise, analysis, or collection and analysis assignments will be automatically closed if all data points in the finished job are not an alarm. The assignment will be closed. The locations assessed as green and will include any comments entered in the mobile device. If locations in the assignment have open fault entries, those locations will have to be assessed accordingly in the assignment and iReliability before the assignment can be closed. As a point of interest, at any time you can exit your assignment by clicking on the back button when at any data point in your assignment. When you exit your assignment, if you have only partially completed your assignment, you can check in the data you have collected by clicking on the Check-in button. You can complete your assignment at a later time. When you come back at a later time to complete your assignment, you will not have to check out your assignment again. At the login screen, you will see a button named Use Previously Selected Route. When you click on this button, all assignments that you have already checked out will be listed. From here, you can enter your assignment again and complete it as necessary. If you are using a version of the mobile route execution software that has barcoding capabilities, you will see an additional field on the PDA screen when you are at the location in your route. You will be able to scan for locations on your route tagged with a barcode. This will make it very easy for you to run your routes, especially if you have to skip over machines that are not running, not accessible, etc. If a location has a barcode, the numeric barcode value will be displayed in this field. If you want to select a different location by scanning its barcode, just clear the barcode field, then make sure the cursor is in the field. Scan the location's barcode with the PDA. The numeric barcode value will be displayed. Next, click on the OK button to change to the newly scanned location. There may be times when you're unable to scan a barcode tag because the tag is damaged, unreadable, etc. In this case, you have a couple options. First, you can manually key in the barcode number in the location barcode field and click on the OK button. Keying in the barcode number manually is the equivalent of scanning a barcode. Second, you can replace a damaged barcode with a new barcode tag. If you do replace the barcode tag, you will need to assign that new barcode number to the location. The process for doing this is very simple. To update or change a location's barcode, make sure you are at the location that is correct, and then click on the Update Barcode box. Tip: if you key in the barcode numbers manually, you can still use the barcode capability even if you do not have a barcode scanner on your PDA. When updating a barcode, a message will be displayed to verify that you are at the correct location. Click OK if you are sure, or click Cancel if you are unsure and want to double check. If you have clicked the OK button, you are ready to scan the new barcode tag and assign it to the location. Scan the new barcode tag. The new barcode tag number will appear in the location barcode field. Click the OK button to accept the new barcode number. A confirmation message will be displayed. If the change is correct, click the OK button. Otherwise, click the Cancel button. If the new barcode looks good, you may continue with entering route data as normal. The new location barcode will be submitted to iReliability when the route data is checked in. If you get the following message, the new barcode already exists in the routes that are on the PDA. Click OK and try again.